Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Roblox on Mac, also stuttering and freezing. The tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So first of all you need to change your graphics. So once you are in some game, you want to click on Roblox icon, click on settings and then scroll down until you see graphics mode. You want to set graphics mode to manual and the graphics quality leave it to 2 or 3. Depending on what you want, and also you want to choose performance stats. You want to go ahead and turn that on, so you would see your CPU and memory usage. Now after you have done that, you want to go ahead and leave. Now you want to go ahead and close any background application. So for example, I'm using now OBS. You want to go ahead and close any of those apps which are available. For example, my Epic Games launcher is now opened. I want to go ahead and close it in order to reduce background usage. Now, after you have done that, you want to go to your settings and go check if there's any macOS update. So on general, you're gonna go on software update, and if there's any available updates, you want to go ahead and update your Mac. Another thing which could help would be to go on general settings and then on storage, and just make sure that you have enough storage on your MacBook, because Roblox uses storage all the time, so it will need a lot of space. Not a lot, but basically make sure to turn on automatic bin removal, turn it on, then maybe optimize your storage and delete some of the things which are not necessary for you. Another thing would be to disable low power mode. So you want to go to the battery and low power mode. It's on never. So you want to go ahead and disable it. And also the last thing would be to disable your VPN. If you are using any VPN, you want to disable it and use stable network connection. So either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.